In a survey of 100 students, the number of students studying the various languages were found to be English only 18, English but not Hindi 23, English and Sanskrit 8, English 26, Sanskrit 48, Sanskrit and Hindi 8, no language 24. The question is, find how many students were studying English and Hindi only. So, option we have to select as English intersection Hindi. Let us see how to do it. They have given the 100 students. So, out of these 100 students, if I consider it as a Venn diagram, these are 100 students, total number of students, and there are English, Hindi, Sanskrit students. English, Hindi and Sanskrit. English, Hindi, Sanskrit. Okay. And they have given some numbers. Let us see that. So, out of 100, there are some students who are not at all studying any language, English, Hindi, yes also, that means this part will come anyway. So, let us see this as a numbers or alphabets A, B, C, D like that, so that let us understand, we will understand clearly. So, I am taking this as A, this is B, C, D, E, F, G. Just remember this, then you will understand clearly, right. So, this is the one thing. What they have given, let us write it down. What they have given, first number, English only. What is the English only? If this full is English, what is the only English? That means it should not have a Hindi part and S part common. So, common part is this and this. If I remove, what is there? Only A. So, what is this? English only is this. So, what is that? A, English only is equal to 18. Okay. Next they have given English but not Hindi. What is the English but not Hindi is equal to English. English we have to take it but not Hindi. That means whatever Hindi part is there, we have to eliminate it. So, this part we have to remove. So, if I remove this part from the English, what is there? A, D. So, shall I take it as A plus D? What they have given is 23. So, A we already know. If I substitute here, will I get a D value? Yes. So, 23 minus 18. So, what I am going to get is 5. Clear? So, this is what the D part. Next, English and Sanskrit. English and Sanskrit, this part, right? Ain means what? Common part, right? English and Sanskrit is equal to the number of students is equal to English and Sanskrit D plus G. From this we have D. Can we find G? Yes, but they have given the number. What is that? It is nothing but English and Sanskrit is equal to 8. So, if I substitute here back, what I am going to get? 5 plus G is equal to 8. So, G is equal to 3. Okay, just save it. This much is clear. G value I got it. Again they have given English, that means this full English is equal to A plus E plus G plus D. A plus E plus D plus G is equal to full English 26. Okay. From this, what are the ABCD values we have, we will put it there so that we will find the other values. A 18, E, now where E? E, D value 5, G value 3 is equal to 26. So, if you add them up, this is 5 plus 8, 8 plus 18, 26 plus E is equal to 26. So, what is the E value got? From this is 0. So, this is 0. Okay. Again, what are they have given Sanskrit 48. What do you mean by Sanskrit? This S part. What is the Sanskrit part? Is D plus G plus F plus C is equal to Sanskrit. How many Sanskrit students? 48. D we have 5, G we found 3, F we do not have, C nowhere, is equal to 48. Okay, this much is clear, right? This is given. Then they are asking Sanskrit and Hindi is equal to 8. Sanskrit and Hindi is equal to 8 means G plus F is equal to 8. So from this can we find the F value? Here F value and C value is required, so we don't know F, so let us find from this. So G value I already know 3. If I send this that side, 3 plus F is equal to 8, F is equal to 5. Shall I substitute back in this so that I will get the C value? Just let me calculate here. Let me rewrite again. 5 plus 3, 8, 40, and F value 5 plus C is equal to 40, C is equal to 35. So once I get this C is equal to 35, let us fix here. And what they have given? No language 24. What do you mean by no language 24? That means nobody in this category are there who are not at all reading any language. How many are there? This is nothing but 24. So this is 24. That means total 100 minus 24 should be this, isn't it? By the way, what they are asking? So till we found this much, and what they are asking, based on that we can find any answer. Sir, why you solve this much longer, this much bigger? Because based on the question we can find any question. Say for example they are asking how many Hindi, B plus E plus G plus F, like that. Okay, so this is what you have to do before you solve this kind of questions. Okay, anyway, let us see what they are asking. How many students were studying English and Hindi? English and Hindi means what, students? English and Hindi. G plus E or E plus G. There is no need to find a C, by the way. If they are asking more, you can go for it. So what is this? E plus G is our English and Hindi. So what is the E plus G? The required answer, E plus G is equal to, what was the E? G is 3, and what was the E part? E part, did you find E part? Yes, E is equal to 0 is equal to 3. So which is our correct answer? Is 3. So how many students were studying English and Hindi? 3 students. So our option is going to be second option, answer 3.